Hi, Matthews here. I'm here with the trade forecast on UKO about 554 pips. Watch the rest of the video for a step-by-step process. So I was just going through the pairs right here and I came across this thing right here. This is on UKO. I'm seeing a really nice thing here. So you can see that the overall trend is to the downside. Therefore, I'm looking for selling opportunities. So when I come here, I'm actually seeing something interesting right here. This is a nice drop right there. So let's drop to the 1 hour time frame. And you can see what I'm talking about right here. We have this nice drop. So what I'll do is that I'll just get this whole zone and take it to the right side, right? And then what do? I go to the 30 minutes time frame. I keep dropping to the lower time frames. Really important. That's what you call multiple time frame analysis. Okay. Again, what I'm looking for here is my order block. So I'm seeing something there, but I'm not really convinced. So what I'll do is that I'll drop even further to the lower time. Okay, 5 minutes time frame, 15 minutes time frame, not good. I'm dropping even further to the lower time frame. All right, so that's very important. Know your multiple time frame analysis. I'm looking for that perfect order block on the lower time frame. So something like that. Let's drop to a 3 minutes time frame. Let's see what is happening. 3 minutes. I think we are good. So you can clearly see that that's our last. This right here. This right here is our last bullish candle before this bearish move to the downside. Okay. Now we've reduced our stop loss um, from being this big, about 60 pips, to only 20 pips. How amazing is that? And then the next thing here is to look for liquidity. Do I have any liquidity that is building right now? Okay, eco highs. Not really. I had a little bit of eco highs here, and they've already been taken out, which is nice. Okay, so let's go ahead and input that. So we had this high here and this high right there. Okay, and then what do we have here? We have our higher high up here. We have our higher high up there, and then we have our break of structure just below here. Okay, let's go ahead and label that. That's our change of character right there. Reduce the font better. Okay, then let's go. This is our liquidity area. This is our liquidity zone, and then we go ahead and just do that. Then I love the way price is actually coming to my zone right here. This is a very good compression. This is a compression right here, and I love the way it's actually coming up. Okay, so this is what we call a CP, compression pattern. Okay, this is nice. This is very nice. So I'm going to let this trade actually play out. Then I'll go ahead and identify my drop base rally right here. I have my drop base rally there. And then guess what? I'll determine where I'm going to put my stop loss and my take profit. So of course my stop loss is just going to be above the higher high, and my stop loss, my take profit is going to be on the next fresh demand zone, which is here. And voila, just like that. Okay, so we have ourselves a nice looking setup right here in under probably 30 minutes. I mean, under 5 minutes. I was able to actually identify this setup and analyze it. Right, so let's go ahead and do just that. Put our logo name, our name there, and let's go ahead and actually put our stop loss. This is UKO, so we're planning to sell. Okay, what is our stop loss? What is our take profit? And always use proper risk management always. So let's go ahead and input that. So our stop loss is 21 pips. Our stop loss is 21 pips right here. Yeah, so 21 pips. And then our target is 554 pips. That's amazing. That's absolutely amazing. Okay, pips. And yeah, pretty much. And what are we anticipating? We're anticipating for price to come into this zone here and then potentially drop. So this is a 1 to 25 risk to reward ratio. A simple down. A very simple multiple time frame analysis or the top down analysis. Looking right here, our major trend is to the downside. Therefore, we're looking for selling opportunities. You drop to the lower time frame. You find our rally based drop supply zone. But then also something beautiful that is happening here is these big momentum candles right here, which will break in structure. This is very nice because it tells us there's presence of smart money in the market. Okay, and then also something significant here is this CP, what we call a compression pattern. This is very nice because most of the time after a compression pattern, what we get is a big impulsive move like this. So looking forward to actually the market doing that. So right now we have ourselves a really nice looking setup. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to share this with our private community, and we're going to wait for price to come to our zone. And once price comes to our zone, then guess what? We'll wait for the confirmation, and then we'll be able to execute this trade. So far, it's looking amazing. However, we don't know what's going to happen. Therefore, this is not a signal. This is for educational purposes only. So, if you found value in this video, guess what? Subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section, show this to your friend. We make it look so easy, and that's what you get when you actually enroll into our M&A mastery course. So the first thing in the description gives you access to all that. You guys, I hope you found value in this video. Until next time, goodbye.